Be a boat ramp champ. Today I'm going to go over do's and don'ts at the boat ramp so your etiquette can be on point. Hi, I'm Sean from Lens Cove Lessons in Boating. I'm going to go through this video point by point so you could literally watch the video as you're getting ready for launching a boat at the ramp. Don't number one is don't do any of your prep when you're right at the ramp. So don't back down the ramp and start your prep process. You're going to want to do most of this preparation work in the parking lot or slightly off to the side of the boat ramp so that you're not holding up other people using the ramp. On a beautiful Sunday day on the weekend, the boat ramp is going to be a busy place and you don't want to be that person who is uncovering their boat and doing all their stuff at the ramp and holding people up. Don't number two is don't forget to put your drain plug in. If you leave your drain plug in all the time, just check to make sure it's tight, and if you take your drain plug out, like you probably should, make sure you install it and give it a little snug. Do remove your rear tie straps and put them in a place where it's really easy to clip them back on when you're done with the boat for the day. Do remove your cover now and fold it up tidy, put it in a place where you're going to be able to access it easily after the day on the water, and to make sure that it's not in your way so it's not hampering your boating. Do turn on your battery switch if you have one, and then test your ignition and turn on your blower and make sure the engine's going to roll over and ideally fire up. I like to roll it over and let it just quickly start and turn it right off. You definitely don't want to run it out of the water for very long at all, and you want to make sure that when you are at the ramp that you're not going to have a dead battery or a problem. Don't back the truck in too far or not far enough. Go in far enough that you can remove the boat from the trailer without having to struggle too much, but not so far that it's completely floating and is uncontrollable as you get everything ready. Don't try to do this process by yourself. Sometimes you're forced to, and that's okay. But ideally you have someone who knows how to back you down the ramp and you're in the boat and ready to take the boat off the trailer, or vice versa. You've got someone you can trust to drive the boat and you do the driving in the vehicle. Do make sure you put your vehicle in park and set the parking brake. You don't want to be on any boat ramp fail videos. Do start your engine and then test for leaks if it's an inboard outboard, and check in the bilge to see if there's any water coming in. There's nothing worse than getting out in the bay and realizing you're taking on water and have to rush back to the ramp. When you're ready, unhook the front of the boat and back it away. Tie it to a dock or wait for your passengers to arrive. Do now remove the truck and trailer from the ramp and go park it somewhere out of the way to make room for the next person to come in. Don't forget to lock your truck. Make sure valuables are hidden out of the way. If you have a way to demobilize your trailer with a tongue lock or a wheel lock, and do that as well, just so it's not missing from when you come back from a day on the water. There's nothing worse than packing up your boat, getting all excited for the day, and then getting to the ramp and having a stressful, bad experience, which makes everybody grumpy in the boat for the rest of the day. There's a couple other videos that you may want to watch. One is on launching your boat, and that'll more detailed on the whole process of going in and out of the water. And then there's also one on how to get the boat back on the trailer after a day on the water. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more, as it really helps our YouTube algorithm. Follow these steps, take your precautions, and go have a blast. We'll see you out on the water.